Fillet of fish, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very practical and useful phrase in English, fillet of fish. This is not only a culinary term but also a great example of English in action. Whether you're a language enthusiast or a budding chef, understanding this phrase will add to your English skills. So, let's dive in. Fillet of fish might sound straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. A fillet, pronounced fillet, is a piece of meat or fish without bones. When we say fillet of fish, we're talking about the process of removing the bones from a fish. This phrase is both a noun and a verb, which is quite interesting in English. So, how do you fillet a fish? It involves a few steps. 1. Scaling the fish. Remove the scales from the skin. 2. Cutting open. Make a cut along the back or the belly. 3. Removing the bones. Carefully separate the flesh from the bones. 4. Skinning. Optional. Some prefer to remove the skin, while others keep it. Each step requires skill and practice, reflecting the beauty of precision in both language and cooking. In various cultures, the ability to fillet a fish is a cherished culinary skill. It's a term that pops up in cooking shows, recipe books, and even in everyday conversation. Understanding this phrase gives you a peek into the culinary world and enriches your cultural knowledge. I hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Remember, learning a language is not just about words, but also about the activities and cultures they represent. So next time you hear fillet of fish, you'll know exactly what it means and the skill it represents. Happy learning and maybe even happy cooking!